Alright guys, look what I found. I just went to the Goodwill. I just found this thing. It's super hella old. B, G, and N Wi-Fi certified. I don't even know if there's like a date on it or anything, or I could figure out like how old it is. But I'm pretty sure it's pretty old. But what's specifically really nice about this is I have a printer behind me here. This is the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. And although it runs Clipper, when you turn it on, the battery's just in here because I put it on my way. When you turn it on, it doesn't have internet connection. It doesn't look like it's running Clipper. It kind of just looks like a Marlin interface. But Clipper is running in the background on this printer. And you have a USB-C in the front, and you have this. But on the side over here is an Ethernet port, a network port. We can't really see it from here. Oh, there it is. So that's what they decided to do. They decided, well, we're not going to go ahead and put Wi-Fi on this like the Sobel SV07. So if you want to access this through Fluid or anything like that, you need to have internet connection. And they don't, I think they don't really want you to easily do it. So I'll have to figure out a way to get this to work with this and then connect to my network. And then I can go and find the IP address and log in the browser and use, Fluid or Mainsail or whatever. It's an MKS Pi, whatever, in here. So it was really kind of neat to find this at the Goodwill today, because I know that that's the easiest way to do this. So most people, what they'll do is they'll connect it, hardwire it to their network. I might have to connect this thing and just log into it. I'm not really sure. There seems to be another adapter in here, which is kind of interesting. How cool is that? So literally I could take this and plug it to the USB port on here and power this little thing. I don't know what that is. So I'm assuming that this is pretty old though. There's a sticky Velcro. What in the hell would this be for? I really don't think this is from here. We could plug it in either way though. I mean, I got a power strip right over here. I just need to run it into the enclosure so I can zip it up, but there's something right here. Looks like it says client, yeah. There is no switch on it though. If it was for like a future model. So this is going to be pretty good. Okay, so all I need to do is just to do the WPS with my router, assuming that that's going to work. So I can't wait to try it and see if it works or not. I've also, I think, tried this one. No luck. But this will free up my USB port. That way I don't have to use my USB port for that. The SV07 actually was designed a lot better because it has the Wi-Fi in it and it has USB ports and things like that. But anyway, and with the SV07, I've almost never printed directly from the printer. So with this one, I've always printed directly from the printer, so this will be nice.